So now I will show you how to do a factory network unlock. In my opinion, this is the most valuable way to unlock your phone, and once you have an unlocked phone, you will be able to resell it at a higher price, and your phone will be compatible worldwide with all carriers. The first thing we have to do is to disable Find My iPhone, so simply go to Settings, scroll down where it says iCloud, and scroll all the way down where it says Find My iPhone. Make sure it is completely off, so you can turn it back on once your iPhone has been unlocked successfully. Alright, so then we have to get the IMEI number. Simply open your dial pad and type *#06#. So as you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will appear. You can also find this number on the back part of the box of your phone or also in the SIM card tray. Alright, so this is by far the most important part of the whole unlocking process. Now keep this number somewhere close as we will need it in a few seconds to unlock this phone. Alright, so now we're gonna use the computer. iTunes saying congratulations, your iPhone has been unlocked. Boom, there you go guys, your phone is now fully factory unlocked and now it's compatible worldwide with all carriers. You should get a full signal on your new carrier. And that's it guys, that's how we unlock an iPhone 7. That's all for today guys. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I'll try to help you as soon as I can. By the way guys, we're also giving away a free iPhone 7, completely sealed, brand new phone. You can find the instructions on how to enter the giveaway in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, take care.
What's going on everyone, this is Dom, and today we're taking a quick look at Apple's new product red iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. And while there's no special unboxing process here, there is a good cause behind these iPhones, but like I said, it's just an iPhone 7 and 7 Plus underneath that special edition colorway. Now if you're unsure of what all of this red iPhone business is, Red is actually a brand that partners with companies to make special products in which a portion of the profits is donated to help eliminate HIV and AIDS while also raising awareness. And Red does a lot of great stuff in this space, so definitely go ahead and check them out, linked below. But I'm a big fan of this red look. Admittedly, it would have been nice or a million times better with a black front side, but regardless of that, this shiny matte red color is pretty incredible. Of course, we've seen this shade on Apple's iPod lineup in the past, so nothing out of the ordinary here, but this is the first red iPhone we've ever seen, which makes now 3 new colors in the iPhone 7 lineup, including matte black and jet black. There's also a silver Apple logo around the backside, which is shiny as you'd expect, and even a silver Touch ID ring to match. Now the bottom half of the backside features the product red insignia as well, but overall this is just an iPhone 7, really nothing special here. It's the intentions with this product that make it different, but at the same time, spending $750 on an iPhone isn't really the best way to contribute to the cause. Sure, Apple has raised over $130 million through the sale of products like this, but imagine how much more could be raised if you saved $700, picked up a red dbrand skin for $10, which I will link below, and then donated $40 to Red itself, where 100% of your money goes directly to the cause. And I will leave a donation link below if you'd like to do that for yourself. In fact, tweet me screenshots of your donations and I will retweet them all day long, because even $1 donated is a step in the right direction. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying product red through Apple or any other organization is a bad thing, but there are much better ways to contribute to the cause. My brother and I lost our father to HIV back in 2003, which is what my tattoo represents, so this is very close to my heart, and I feel like a direct donation is far better than a portion of profits from any iPhone sale. But let me know what you think about the new product red iPhone 7 and 7 Plus in the comments section below, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching everyone, I really appreciate it. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.